Thanks to a vivid orange dummy render that went viral on social media, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is once again the buzz of the tech community. Many people accused Samsung of stealing Apple's new cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max after the image immediately stirred controversy. The response speaks for itself, even though the render itself seems to have been produced by AI. It will be difficult to avoid the reaction if Samsung intends to release the S26 Ultra in a similar hue of orange. Here's the problem, though. The use of orange by Samsung is not particularly new. This color was used by the corporation long before Apple did. Prior to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release last year, a number of mid-range and low-cost Galaxy phones had titanium orange finishes. Therefore, no, orange for cell phones was not invented by Apple. The Galaxy family has been using these colors for many years. However, time is crucial. Comparisons will inevitably arise if Samsung unveils the orange Galaxy S26 Ultra shortly after Apple releases the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The most recent release is usually remembered by the general population. Additionally, Apple's cosmic orange currently feels iconic and new. Even if the reality is much more complex, Samsung could easily be accused of copying any similar action. In actuality, Samsung can differentiate the Galaxy S26 Ultra without using orange. The company has always been at the forefront of color diversity. Vibrant reds, rich blues, sophisticated titaniums, and soothing mint hues. Samsung excels at this because of its daring innovation that creates trends rather than following them. Perhaps it's not about being safe this time around. It all comes down to remaining loyal to what makes Samsung special. With the impending Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is once again redefining the norms of innovation. And if tech expert Anthony's reliable predictions come to pass, this Galaxy flagship will represent a stunning advancement in terms of performance, display awe, and photographic skill. The revolution in cameras starts. It's not merely an improvement for the S26 Ultra. It's entering a completely different league. More light can enter the camera thanks to a wider main camera aperture, producing images that are brilliant, detailed, and realistically clear. The new 3x telephoto lens and larger 5x telephoto aperture will excite photography enthusiasts day or night by guaranteeing incredibly sharp zoom images without sacrificing the captivating image quality presentation. With a little larger screen and a COE OLED panel, Samsung's display technology is advancing to the next level, offering richer colors, deeper blacks, and an even more engaging viewing experience. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.